Proklamasi. Kami, bangsa Indonesia, dengan ini menyatakan kemerdekaan Indonesia. Hal-hal yang mengenai pemindahan kekuasaan dan lain-lain diselenggarakan dengan cara saksama dan dalam tempo yang sesingkat-singkatnya.
Dua warga Indonesia yang positif terinfeksi virus corona disebut telah melakukan
virus
kontak dengan warga negara warga Jakarta yang tengah menjalani isolasi.
Bring me back the day the winter was hot, his sons as usual sounds breaks life. Laskar, a tall man again the dreams of himself. I don't know since when, daydreaming has become a habit that continues to stick with him. Quiet, that's how the warriors feel now. It was as he was the only human living on this earth. Since the incident about a year ago, the world has maliciously turned the circumstances around her life. This life is a joke. Laskar pondered again, is possible can he return to his former life, where he has many friends, where he is free to do whatever he wants, and where he lives his life with the people he loves. The man lay neat, his body against the wall directly behind him, of course, with a mask that still faithfully covered part of his face. For several minutes he remained silent, just a breeze that happened to be willing to stop Bugut back. Laskar exhaled slowly. How long will the world be like this? In a hurry, Laskar reached into his trouser pocket to pull out his cell phone. His brow furrowed even more when he saw something plastered on his cell phone screen. Augustus 15, 2000 minutes. 2019, what happened next? Laskar looked around the place with hot hesitation. He removed the mask that had been covering his mouth and nose. With a broad smile, Laskar ran to his friends. The three of them waited the people careful. Not only gymnastics, there are many other activities that are quite exciting to make Laskar forget what he was thinking before. Langit and Bara glanced at each other when they heard Laskar answer that sounded ambiguous. The soldiers had gasped when they woke up from their daydreams. He glanced around the place. Quiet, but before the cloud took a step, Laskar felt something strong. Dark. The soldiers gasped when they woke up from their daydreams. He glanced around the place. Quiet. Where are those people? Where are his friends? Hurriedly, he pulled out his cell phone from his pocket. 11/2021. The warrior took a deep breath. His world just a fantasy. Now he has to face his real life. Laskar immediately rose from his seat, patted the bike, which was a lighty dirty. They walked away from that place with mixed talks. Finished. Thank you.
Oi, Laskar. Ayo, kita tungguin. Hah? Kita tunggu. Loh. Kok kamu nggak pakai masker, Ber? Masker apaan? Hah? Ini tuh sebenarnya ada apa, Ber? Ada 17, lomba 17 Agustus. Itu udah di langit. Ayo buruan, udah ditungguin. Tuh yang menang tuh. Siapa sih? Tuh yang baju putih. Oh, yang itu ya? Iya, itu. Tuh banget ya. Loh, kok kamu ketawa terus sih? Ah, ya nggak apa-apa kan, sekali-sekali gini loh, lihat ini loh.
Merdeka atau mati. Gendangan tanah tumpah di atas tanah. Beratus-ratus nyawa melayang bergelimang di atas tanah tak bertuan.
Pergi jauh, tidak akan
sebuah tanah lapang yang dahulu ialah medan perang. Sang pejuang berteriak lantang
mengangkat tinggi panji kemenangan. Gagah berani memegang senjata melawan para penjajah yang hina. Dua kata menjadi pilihan, merdeka atau mati. Tak ada lain selain itu. Merdeka atau mati.
Yang keras, Laskar. Jangan. Kami dari kelas 10 MIPA 1 mengucapkan selamat dirgahayu Republik Indonesia yang ke-76.
Tunjukkanlah kepada dunia semangatmu yang panas membara. Ku ingin jiwa raga ini selaraskan